Hello guys, what's up? Today we will learn how to create glowing torus using Alight Motion, but this is the part 1. Here we will learn about glowing torus, and in part 2 we will learn how to animate them. And also part 2 link will be given in description. After publishing, let's see preview. Idea belongs to an After Effects tutorial by ₚ Motion. Open Alight Motion. Create a blank project and add a circle 10 increase size around 560. And add gradient into the shape and create a gradient like me. And you can increase shape size as you want. Now add another circle and increase the size of it. And change color into black. Now select both layer and group them. After this, go to the effects ration and add chroma key. And select black color, then go to the setting and make it transparent. Then go back to effect and increase threshold, around 1300 and feather around 40. Now add another circle and increase size. Then go to the color section and increase alpha into 0%. After this, go and enable stroke and increase size around 40%. Now again go to effect. And add box blur and increase strength around 180%. And again add Gaussian blur. And increase strength around 380. Then increase shape size. And stroke around 50 and change color to gray. And group them. Now go to effects and add solid color, then decrease alpha around 33%. After this, add color palette, link in description, and set it in a corner. Again go to effects and add 4 color gradient. Now pick color like me. After doing this, go yellow color position and decrease around 85. And go pink color and increase around 600. Then go to sky color and increase size into 630. Now increase blend around 109% and increase alpha around 190%. Then duplicate it and go to Effects. Then add box blur and increase strength around 1000%. Then add brightness and saturation effect. Then decrease brightness around -26%. And increase contrast around 130%. After complete this process, follow me. Now group them and save to my elements. That's it. In next video we'll learn about how to animate these and create a pretty good animation. Thanks for watching. To like, comment, share and also subscribe.